Hey guys, this is Diego from LVN Studio. I hope you're having a great day so far. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a YouTube intro and an end card. Let's get started. Let's create a new project in 16:9 ratio and now select media so we can add a black image to use as a background. Perfect. Now let's add our base music that in this case, it's gonna be a sound effect called Music Effects 7-1. Awesome. Now we're gonna be adding a text layer that is going to include the name of our company, LVN Studio, and we're gonna be using the font handwriting Hey November. Then we're gonna make it a little bigger and change the color into a light gray. Perfect. Now we're gonna be duplicating this layer 4 times so we can have 5 text layers. Now we're gonna be adding an in-animation effect for the top 4 layers to create a really cool effect. In this case, we're gonna add the slide animation from all different directions. Now to the 5th layer, we're gonna slide it towards the right side a little bit. Then we're gonna change the color of the text to white. We're also going to enable the glow effect, and we will select a light gray color, then a spread of 16 and the size of 18. Finally, we're gonna add a flicker overall animation to this layer. Now let's add a layer to the project, and in this case, let's do a sticker from the infinite brightness package, the one at the top left corner. Wow, this really makes it look so dramatic. But to complement this effect, we're gonna be adding a sound effect called whoosh number 8. This is gonna be great, so let's test it out. This looks really good. So now to close the intro, in this part of the video, we're gonna be adding another sticker from the infinite brightness pack, the one in the middle left side. And now to make it a little more dramatic, let's add another sticker from the same pack, the one at the top right corner. And for the final touch, let's add another sound effect on top of these stickers, the one called Cinematic Intro 4. Now let's make sure it's in the right place and let's test it all out. That was cool, there you go. Now you know how to create a cool intro for your YouTube channel. Let's create a new project in KineMaster in 16:9 ratio, then select on media to add a black image that we're gonna use as a background. Then we're gonna be adding our bass music that is called Ready to Race. Now we're gonna be adding a text layer with the name of our company, LVN Studio, and we're gonna be selecting the font handwriting Hey November. Now let's drag the text towards the top and center it. Perfect. Let's add our framing to our end card, and in this case it's gonna be a sticker from the error package, and it's gonna be the one at the bottom left side. As a next step, we're gonna be adding 2 more stickers from the HUD in Motion pack, and they're gonna be the 2 at the bottom. So you may be asking, what is this for? Well, a lot of times when you watch a YouTube video, at the very end of the video there is an end card, and some people say, click here to watch my recent video or click here to watch my most popular video, and those video elements that you can click on are usually framed. So that's what we're doing here, we're creating those frames. Now let's add 2 more text layers. One of them is gonna say must watch, and the fonts that we're gonna be using for this text layer is going to be inside the Cyrillic, I think that's how you pronounce it, Cyrillic font package, and it's gonna be the one at the bottom. There we go. Now we're gonna position this correctly and we're gonna make a copy and change the text of this new layer. We're gonna change it to latest video. Now let's take a look. That looks awesome. So now to make this more interesting, we're gonna be adding the in-animation effects to each of these layers to make them appear smoothly. As you can see, we're playing around with the slide left, slide right, and fade in-animation effects for some of these layers. And finally, we're gonna be adding an extra sticker and sound effect so we can make the start of this end card a little more dramatic and more interesting. Thanks so much for watching, guys. That was so much fun. I hope you learned something new today using the KineMaster app. Make sure to check the links in the description below to download the KineMaster app. See you in the next video.